How's it going on, guys? And I've got you another video. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how can you stream using OBS Studio. So let's get started. So first of all, let's move on to the intro. Oh yes, we are done with the intro, and now I will show you how can you capture your screen just by using, how can you start streaming just by using OBS Studio. So let's get into it. So first of all, let me show you my screen. How am I? Like here, how am I? Okay, and this is how I am recording. As you guys can see, this is how I am recording. I just recorded this firstly, and now this is how I'm recording, as you guys can see. And in this video, I will also tell you how can you get the frame and name in your video just like this. So let's get started. First of all, if you want to start a stream, go to YouTube Studio, click create, click go live, and here are we. Okay, let's just wait for it, and now you can edit your title or whatever is it, whatever you want, category, title and whatever. So now you have to don't watch my screen key. Copy this screen key, and now we have to paste this screen key in our recorder. So first of all, click on File, Show Recording. File, Settings. And now click on Stream. Just close it and paste your stream key and click on yes. And now, as you guys can see, it's connecting to the software to go live. So in that time we have to put the live chat in our video. So let's get started with that too. First of all, copy or click on pop-up chat, and now copy the URL of pop-up chat. Click on restore chat now, and now it's done. We have copied. Actually, I'm making a copy of this video. I made this video once, but I deleted it because my voice was not coming. So now my voice is coming. So I have to. Now you have to click on browser, add and a browser, and name it live chat, so you can easily see who is he and whoever is he in your chat. Okay, and now we have added a live chat, and now as you guys can see, here is our live chat. And if you don't know how to use OBS, you are a beginner in OBS, don't worry. There is a link in the description over there, so you can watch it up here somewhere. Wait, yes, here, there, yes, up, yes. At the card, there will be a suggested card. So let's just click on grow. Oh wait, this is our browser live chat. Okay, click on settings and paste here the URL that we just copied and click on OK. And now wait, it will take time to do that. Till that time we can wait here, and let's just wait. It's just verifying that pop-out chat. Now click on Chrome, and now click on OBS again, and as you guys can see, it has done its job and the live chat is here. And if you make it smaller or bigger, it would go at straight size. So if you want to make it thinner or slimmer, then hold shift and click on this. But I don't want to make it thinner, so I can go with it. And now you can just start streaming. But before you start streaming, we have to adjust our game capture or whatever, display capture, window capture, whatever you use. So first of all, click on your display capture, game capture or window capture, whatever. And now there is a display one. I have only one monitor, so you can choose your monitor. This display 2 will be a monitor at that side, and at that side maybe whatever the else monitor you have. It will make you easier if you connect more monitors on your PC, so or laptop, whatever is it. Double screen are recommended, or else OBS don't record the webcam nicely, so double screen, double monitor are recommended. Okay guys, and now we have done, so we can finally start streaming. I don't want to start streaming for some reason, but now you can finally start streaming. But wait, before start streaming, if you want to adjust your intro, add another scene, name it intro or whatever you want. I can't name it intro because I have already an intro, as you guys can see, and we are blank here. So now wait, display capture, okay, and now we are back here, and now here you have to in this scene you have to adjust so much. So just all you have to do is add a media source. Where is media source? Click on OK. Browse for your intro here. Click on D wherever your intro is. My intro is at D, so I would go to D /ion/techtime, and here's my intro. I will click on OK, and as you guys can see, my intro has just appeared, and your intro will be here too. Okay, and now when you go to be here back, and as you guys can see, your intro is at the front of the screen, and if you want a song in the intro, then you need another media source to be here. Click on OK, click on browse for your song. I won't browse for my song because I don't want a song, but if you want a song, then you can go with it. Okay, now I want to delete this scene, because no, you don't delete it. I want to delete it because I hate this. And that's how you do scenes. That's how scenes work in OBS Studio. So guys, please comment down below if you want to recommend me make another video or anything, so you can comment me. And there is also a new offer for you guys, that if you want me write any comment, then I will reply you in a second, and you would come in the shoutouts of the month in the next month. So, and please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed my other videos, and if you enjoyed this video, just smash the like button, or just punch the like button, or break your mouse in the like button, okay, whatever. And now we have a last talk. Please share this video if you think the video was helpful, so share it so other people can get help too. And guys, this is the end of the video.